Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be working with Eullair hair. Of course, all the details will be listed down in the description box below. If you guys missed the original video on how I kind of customize this, definitely make sure to check it out. I'll try to just put it in the description box just to make things easier. But if not, you can always just search my channel. So I'm actually going to go ahead and take some water, which I already have in the spray bottle, with some leave-in conditioner. Of course, you guys know I always use the Aussie Moist. 5-minute conditioner is literally like $5 at the store. And this water wave hair is just really easy to detangle. So you probably only have to do this about once. I'm going to say every 4 to 5 days. The hair is really soft and lightweight. It actually is like, if I'm not mistaken, a 24 or 22 inch. So it did come far down my back. I am only 5'2", if you guys are wondering. And then I just have it up in this half up, half down style. So you guys can see the luster of the hair is nice and shiny. It comes in like this dark brown color. Not too light or too dark. You can definitely dye it if that's something that you guys are wanting to do. But I'm just kind of going to leave it in this natural state. I'm not going to do too much to it. Too much to it, really. Anyway, I decided that I was going to just leave it up in the half up, half down, just because I wanted some curly texture hair, but I didn't want it to be like, you know, in my face type of thing. So this is going to be really cute and easy, especially if you guys are looking for a style for back to school. They do have sales going on right now, so you definitely want to make sure to check out their site. If I do have any coupon codes, I'll leave that down in the description box below as well. And you guys can see, like, I'm literally going through this hair. It's probably taking me less than 5 minutes. I sped the video up just a teensy tiny bit, but this is real time. I think total time of me getting like dressed from start to finish was about 30 minutes. So I sped the video up just a bit, but you can definitely, I guess, get in and out the door. Get in and out the door. You're already in the door. Get out the door to wherever it is that you're going in about, I'm going to say 10 minutes if you're just going to do the hair. And then, of course, for the makeup, it is going to take a little bit longer, maybe about an additional 20 minutes. Pop on a cute outfit and you are good. So I'm literally just detangling everything, and then while I do my makeup, I'm going to allow this to quickly dry. So on the edges, of course, I am using some gel. You don't actually have to use gel. You can actually use like mousse or just whatever you use to style your edges, or, you know, kind of go from there. But I'm taking the Cream of Nature. Is it Cream of Nature? I think so. It's like the argan oil gel. Actually, it's Eco Styler, but it's the cream, not Cream of Nature. It's Eco Styler Argan Oil. That's the one. I'm going to be using my Estee Lauder foundation. I don't remember the color, but I'll definitely just take a look and then put it in the description box below. So this is like my summer color. It is more on like that warm side, as you guys can see. It matches my forehead perfectly. For whatever reason, that tends to get a little bit more tinted than everything else. Don't ask me why. I don't know. And then I'm taking just a really fluffy like powder brush just to kind of put everything into my skin. I try not to over pack my face with foundation, especially during the summer months, just because you're going to be sweating, oily, all that stuff. So you just want a nice wash of color. And then what I do for any like problem areas, I'll just kind of go back with it. Now for concealer, you guys can totally use whatever you want. I'm actually using my NARS Radiant Cream Concealer, which actually comes in a potted version. I think this is the color Caramel, which surprisingly is a little too light for me now. So clearly I did get a little bit darker than normal, but yeah, we're just gonna rock it out because I'm out of town and this is all that I have. So I'm gonna use this to highlight, and then of course I'm gonna lightly contour, but I didn't have my beauty blender either. You guys, I like literally forgot everything. Actually, I think I have my beauty blender. I just don't know that I had it for this video. But anyway, yeah, so I'm just gonna blend everything out really softly and quickly. And I'm just using a fluffy brush just to kind of go underneath the eye, and then take that same color a little bit above the eyebrow just to kind of give a soft highlight. Then I'm going to be taking, I believe this was the Ardell brow. It has a double end, so it has a sharpener on one end with a little wispy spoolie, and then it has the actual brow liner or pencil that you want to use. It's just in the color dark brown. I'm lightly just filling in my brows. If you guys did not know, I do have them microbladed. It's a full video on that. If you guys are in Atlanta, definitely go check out Sasha Brows. She did amazing. So there's that. And then of course, just to add a little bit of pop of color to my face, I'm going to be using my, what is that? My e.l.f. 4 or Quad blush. So taking that kind of orangey pink shade, and then taking my LA Pro Girl concealer in the color, I believe is it medium? No, I don't know. It's like a brown color. I don't know which one it is. I'm sorry. I'll try to list it down below. And I'm just using that to kind of lightly contour and bronze up my face a little bit. And then because I did apply just a little bit too much, I'm actually taking my powder brush just to kind of go back over that. And then I'm taking my Violet Boss palette to softly just give me a little bit of pop of color. I believe I used like caramel, and then I use this kind of like orangey shade. You can definitely use whatever you want based off of the colors that I use. So it's more on like that soft, rosy, pink kind of nude color. But yeah, not too crazy. I really don't have much to say about the eyeshadow, so I will be back. So right in the corner, I'm going to go ahead and just pop, they have this really pretty gold shimmer shade in the palette. I'm going to pop that in the inner corners of my eye just for a little bit of shine. And then I'm taking my Nikki, I believe this is Ofra and Nikki. They did have like a collab at one point in time. It's like a highlighter wheel. So I'm using that just to highlight all over my face. You guys can totally use like whatever you want. No big deal here. This is not really more so about the products. It's more so about the steps and how to get the look. So I know you guys ask me all the time for like specific items. It's really not the products. A lot of these items are overpriced, to be completely honest. You just really need to know the application and to know, how to apply it, no matter what kind of makeup you use. If you guys are wanting to see like a drugstore makeup tutorial, definitely let me know and I'll do one for you, or even like a dollar store one, like a Family Dollar type of thing. I know they have makeup there. Just let me know. I'll show you how to kind of work with the products. I promise you, it's really not much of a difference. But yeah, for mascara, I'm just going to go ahead and pop some of this on. I don't remember the brand, but typically my favorite one is usually from Can't Believe. Is it Can't Believe? No, that's Can't Believe It's Not Butter. Disregard. I don't know. Just disregard. I'm going to put that in the description box. I'm popping on my Ardell Wispy Lashes. You guys know you can get this pretty much anywhere. I got them from CVS. It was a pack of 5 for $5. They were on sale, so perfect for me. And I'm just popping those on. Also, let me know if you want to see a quick tutorial on how to apply your false lashes, like really quickly. Especially if you're a beginner. It's really easy to do, and I'm just gonna let that dry, and that's pretty much it, you guys. I just popped on some clear lip gloss and I'm out of the door. So really cute, quick for class, school, work, wherever it is that you're going. The hair looks really soft and it's already mostly dry. So hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty. Make sure to thumbs up this video if you have not, turn on your post notifications, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye babes.